Hi kids, let's learn car parts. Are you ready? Let's go!
This is a wheel. This is a wheel. This is a tire. This is a tire. This is an engine. This is an engine. This is a steering wheel. This is a steering wheel. This is a brake. This is a brake. This is a gas pedal. This is a gas pedal. This is a gear stick. This is a gear stick. This is a headlight. This is a headlight. This is a tail light. This is a tail light. This is the hood. This is the hood. This is the trunk. This is the trunk. This is a door. This is a door. This is a windshield. This is a windshield. This is a rear view mirror. This is a rear view mirror. This is a side mirror. This is a side mirror. This is a window. This is a window. These are windscreen wipers. These are windscreen wipers. This is an exhaust pipe. This is an exhaust pipe. This is a seat belt. This is a seat belt. This is a turn signal. This is a turn signal. Thanks for watching. See you next time.